Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I like doing unboxings from different subscription services. So if you like watching unboxing videos, please consider subscribing down below. I would love to have you join me. And for all my returning subscribers, hello, welcome back, and thank you as always. Now, I've had some new subscribers recently, and I just wanted to say thank you for subscribing to my channel and welcome. And please feel free to say hello to me in the comment section. I love hearing everyone's thoughts and opinions about what we find in these boxes. And with that said, thank you, really thank you for subscribing. It means the world to me, and I hope you stick around. Okay, now for today's video, I have my husband's Stitch Fix, not mine, my husband's. And what we did, he's already tried everything on, and we taken pictures, and I'll just insert the pictures as I'm going through every item and giving you the price and the details about it. And I'll tell you what he ended up keeping and what he's sending back. But first, let me give you a quick little rundown of my husband. My husband, he works in a warehouse. So when he goes to work, it's t-shirts, jeans, you know, he gets dirty. He is not a dress up, you know, he goes to work. When he comes home, he's dirty. He's jeans and t-shirts and work boots. And on the weekends, he's a very casual guy. Black t-shirt, blue jeans, tennis shoes. That's pretty much it. He does not roam outside of his comfort area at all. So it's been fun to try to get him to like open up and try some of these different styling services. But with that said, this is his second box, and we requested for his stylist to send him some summer looks so he can go into summer. We're looking for some t-shirts and some shorts and maybe some tennis shoes. Okay, so with that said, let's go ahead and I'll insert the picture of the first item that he put on. Was from this Flag and Anthem, and it was an Alderson Burnout baseball tee in the color gray for $26.50. Now here's a picture. I don't know which side of the screen it's going to be on, but I'll insert the picture of him wearing it. He enjoyed this shirt. It fit him well. It's very casual, like I described. That's him. A baseball tee, burnout. Yes, he would wear this. So this is an easy yes for us. We both agreed of keeping this one. So then the next one was a more sporty look. And it started with the shirt was a Michael Kors, and the shirt was a textured Jacquard short sleeve in the color gray, $79.50. Yeah, $80. Then the shorts, which were track shorts. So this is a very casual look, but it's by Polo, and the track shorts were green, and they were $89.50. So $90 for track shorts and $80 for a plain t-shirt. Well, this is an easy no. Just the price tag alone, we both went no way. Now, the pros of the Michael Kors shirt, he appreciated the quality of the material. He liked the way it felt. It was very soft and comfortable, but the price tag of $80, that's just not my husband. He will never pay $80 for a plain t-shirt. And the shorts, the length and everything was pretty good, but the bad thing beside the $90 price tag was it had the words written down the side, Polo, and that's definitely not my husband. He's very basic, like I said. He doesn't want a lot of attention, and having the words Polo written down the whole side of the leg is a big no. So big no for that outfit. It's a casual tracksuit, a very expensive casual baseball track shorts and a t-shirt. No, that's no. So we're sending that one back. Okay, the next two items out was this polo shirt, and it was an it was a polo shirt, and it was Taylor Vintage Andy Jersey Polo in the color navy for $39. And he paired it with the Flag and Anthem Hyannis multi-plaid shorts in blue for $45. Now, the price points were much better on this outfit. Now, liked the way it looked on him. I like this look, but once again, this is not my husband. The shirt is my husband. He does have many shirts like this, and that's the point. He has many shirts like that. So for $39, he's not going to keep it because he probably has 3 right now in his closet that he could pull out almost identical. And the shorts, while I appreciate the style and I think it looks nice, it's not my husband's style. My husband would never wear plaid shorts. Like I said, a very basic guy. Blue jean shorts, or if they're going to be shorts, they got to be long. The length was okay, but plaid, no. No, they could give them to him. He wouldn't wear them. So I appreciate the effort, but what he ended up only keeping was the first baseball tee. That was very casual, more his style. And he had a $50 credit because he ended up using my referral link. So that shirt was only $26.50. So I think he still has $23 credit left. So he's gonna go ahead. I'm gonna have him order another box for maybe next month. And maybe they'll try to stick a little bit more basic. I'll try to make some more notes and say, please stay solid colors, basic, you know, no plaids and, you know, stuff like that. And no big words written down the side of pants. He doesn't go for that. I hope you guys enjoyed my husband's Stitch Fix video. It was a little something different. I like doing it kind of this way. I didn't have to hold up any clothes and I didn't have to do any of the work besides just talk to you guys. So if you guys are liking my videos, please remember to click like and subscribe down below. And until next time, stay safe out there and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.